Lavender is a beautiful, beautiful flower. The oil of the lavender and the fragrance of the lavender is something that is known for being very relaxing. So it's a wonderful gift in these crazy times where I think everybody feels like, we're all a little stressed out. So I love this gift because it's elegant and beautiful, and it is a way for someone to pamper themselves again and again and again. So first of all, it's going to come in a beautiful box with a bow. You have this gorgeous eye mask, really beautiful quality sachet eye mask to just kind of help you rest your eyes. You have this beautiful sachet of lavender, so that's gonna make anywhere smell amazing. A beautiful lavender soap, gorgeous lavender bath salts, all in a beautiful box. It's the gift of relaxation, a little zen, a little me time, a little pampering, a little TLC, and I think that that is always one of the best gifts.